Hello students, I am from St. Andrews Public School. We will continue chapter 10 of class 5th. Today we will learn about pattern. So let's start. What is a pattern? Pattern are formed by arranging object according to a rule. Object को rule के according arrange करने से pattern बनता है. The pattern can be an arrangement of object according to shapes or colors. ऑब्जेक्ट का अरेंजमेंट शेप्स या कलर के अकॉर्डिंग आर रिपीटिशंस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट एट आर रेगुलर इंटरवल ऑब्जेक्ट का रेगुलर इंटरवल पर रिपीट करना ग्रोइंग दैट इज इंक्रीजिंग इन साइज फॉर शेप्स और वैल्यू फॉर नंबर बढ़ना मीन्स इंक्रीज करना शेप्स में साइज का और नंबर में वैल्यू का डिमिनिशिंग दैट इज डिक्रीजिंग इन साइज फॉर शेप्स और वैल्यू फॉर नंबर कम होना मीन्स डिक्रीज करना शेप्स में साइज का और नंबर में वैल्यूज का लेट्स सोल्व एक्सरसाइज 10.3 क्वेश्चन 1 Study the pattern and write the next three terms. A. 9 minus 1 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 98 minus 2 divided by 8 is equal to 12. 987 minus 3 divided by 8 is equal to 123. 9876 divided by minus 4 divided by 8 is equal to 1234. इस पैटर्न में लेफ्ट में 9 के बाद डिजिट जो आई है वो स्मॉलर मीन्स 9 नेक्स्ट 8 के बाद 7 नेक्स्ट 7 के बाद 6 सो वी विल नेक्स्ट डिजिट 98765 98,765 देन नेक्स्ट 987,654 9,87,654. In the same way, first we subtracted 1, then in second we subtracted 2, then in third we subtracted 3. So in fifth we will subtract 5, and in sixth we will subtract 6, and so on. When we divide by 8, we get 1 in first, 12 in second, 123 in third. So we will get 12,345 in fifth and 1,23,456 in sixth, and so on. In this way, this pattern can be completed. Now let's have a look at part B. 0 multiply 9 plus 8 is equal to 8. 9 multiply 9 plus 7 is equal to 88. 98 multiply 9 plus 6 is equal to 888. 987 multiply by 9 plus 5 is equal to 8888. We can observe that every time 9 is multiplied a digit, and digit is formed by arranging number in descending order, just like 98, then 987, 7 is less than 8, so in next blank 9,876 will come. Now in first 8 is added, in second 7 just less than 8 is added. So in the same way in fifth 4 will be added, which is just less than 5. After all operation done, we get single time 8 as answer in first, double time 8 as answer in second, that is 88. So in the same way we will get 5 times 8 repeated as answer in fifth, that is 88,888. So 9,876 multiplied by 9 plus 4 is equal to 88,888. Complete the pattern just like this. Discuss question 2. Use the shape to create a pattern by making the shape take. In part A, a half turn every time means always having 180-degree angle turn. So here is the obtained pattern. In part B, a quarter turn every time means always having 90-degree angle turn. So this by yourself. Exercise 10.3 is your homework. Stay home, stay safe.